The first thing I would do is write out a reaction that shows how formic acid is going to react in water. And it's an acid, so it should make H plus and CHO2 minus 1. Then, given the pH is 3.44, you can raise that 10 to the minus 3.44 power to find out the concentration of H. So the concentration of hydronium comes out to be 3.6 times 10 to the minus 4. And that should also mean that the concentration of the other ion is also 3.6 times 10 to the minus 4. Now, the way that I would solve the problem is I would say that the Ka value, 1.8 times 10 to the minus 4, is equal to the concentration of products divided by the concentration of reactants. And I would just let X represent the equilibrium amount of formic acid. I know that's not the answer to the question, but once I can find out the value for X, I can probably figure out the starting amount. Solving for X, I found out that the value for X, the equilibrium amount of formic acid, is about 7.3 times 10 to the minus 4. The reacting amount had to be 3.6 times 10 to the minus 4, so adding them together, you should be able to find out the starting concentration. So adding them together, you should have the starting concentration of formic acid to be about 0.0011 molarity. We want to make 2 liters of a solution with a pH of 3.4, so I multiply that by 2 to find out the number of moles that would be required to give me that concentration, and then I multiply by 46, which I believe is the molar mass of formic acid. My answer was 0.101 grams.